Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this, a Kawasaki ER6-F for sale. So beautiful bike is this one. It is a 2014 on a 14 plate, but it's only done 3,970 miles from new. So it's just lovely, it really is. It's pretty much standard other than a nice tail tidy on there just to neaten up the back end. Obviously it's an ER6-F, so it's the fully fared version of the ER6. But yeah, it's a lovely thing, finished off in the matte black and the gloss green. Plenty of wind protection on there from the quite large screen that they do come with. But all round, they're absolutely fantastic bikes. So they sound fantastic too, with that 650 parallel twin engine, which if you rewind back a little bit, you can have a listen to that as well. It sounds fantastic. And they are also A2 compatible as well. So if you're an A2 license holder, you can restrict them down. But that's it. If you fancy it, give us a call. I'll pop down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.